If you need to reset your Gmail PIN or password, this quick guide will walk you through the full recovery process step by step. Whether you forgot your password or you're having trouble signing in, Google gives you a few secure ways to verify your identity and create a new password. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to start. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address into the recovery field, then click Next. After that, Google will ask you to enter your current password. If you don't remember it, don't worry. Just click Try Another Way. This tells Google that you want to use a different recovery method instead of the password. Now, Google will show you one or more ways to confirm that it's really your account. Depending on your account settings, you may see a verification code sent to your phone, a recovery email option, or a Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. Choose the method you have access to and complete the verification step carefully. If you get a code, enter it exactly as shown. If you receive a prompt on your phone, tap Yes to approve the sign-in. If you use a recovery email, open the message from Google and follow the instructions there. Once your identity has been verified, Google will give you the option to update your password. Click on the Update Password option and then create a new strong password that you can remember. Type the new password into the first box and then re-enter it in the Confirm Password box to make sure everything matches. After that, save the changes and your Gmail password will be reset. You can now use the new password to sign in on your devices and apps. If you were locked out before, this should get your account back to normal. Just make sure your new password is unique, secure, and not used on any other account. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Gmail password using Google's recovery process. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.